here's the small update. Those are CV axles. I'm just about to finish. This is the last part. My clamping tool. And still have to put the radiator in before I can start the car. It's very, very close. So that's about it for today. Okay, it's gonna be first start since November. Very first start. Alright, let the fuel. Oil. Hopefully it's not going to be a very long video, but bare minimum oil, still a quarter short. Hope it gets the oil pressure right away. It's the very first start. Very first. Yes, I have ABS light on since I bought it. That didn't get fixed. Well, let's start it. So here's my first drive. Still need floor mats. I'm gonna have to charge the air condition. I might do it tomorrow. Needs alignment. And then something happened with my lights. I'm gonna have to open up the panel again. It's just one thing after another. Yeah, it was hard to the right. So, well, it's driving. It's actually, the suspension feels pretty good. It doesn't feel anything weird. I wonder if the suspension was replaced. Huh. Anyway, because it feels pretty sturdy, but despite its pulling, yeah, I just went ahead and converted all the interior lights. I was really like trying not to, but I'm like, I just gave up. I used to have a black Acura Legend, black on black with converter LED lights. And I'm like, you know what, I might just do it. I know that I want to keep it all in stock, but this is probably the only thing that I'm gonna, again, not keep in stock. I swear this was working, but now it's not, so I'm gonna have to look into it. Still have to fix the leather seat. The back doesn't look too bad. I like the fact that the cup holder works, and then the top of the center console is pretty in a decent shape. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna continue driving and just see how it behaves. If anything, I'll let you know, but it might be the end of the story for you guys, because I'm not the video guy. I don't like doing it. It's just not my profession. But just for the record, I did it, and maybe help provoke some of you to do something similar. They are getting hard to find, especially black. Like the girl that sold the car to me just sold it for pennies, but I mean, it's understandable that the car was not drivable, but it had potential, and the potential is right in front of you guys. Black leather interior. So it's now a GS model. However, oh, chicken delight came on. Perfect. I'm gonna have to resurface and repaint wheels, GS wheels, and then I'll put it back on the car. I think for now I'm gonna end the video. I'll pull the code and see what it is, and kind of work it all out. So anyway, have a good one.